Toilet bowl outlet shapes have changed, and standard plungers on the market cannot achieve a seal to effectively plunge. The Beehive Max toilet plunger is guaranteed to fit all toilet bowl shapes and sizes in both old and new high-efficiency toilets. It fits Kohler, TOTO, and all other brands. Replacing both old-style plungers and bello-style plungers, the Beehive Max is made of a soft, non-marking rubber to create a tight, splashback-free seal. The seal allows the plunger to create an area of pressure that pushes and pulls on the blockage until it is dislodged. It delivers 2 times the power of traditional plungers, making it the most powerful plunger available. But don't just take our word for it, see what other popular publications had to say. The New York Times called it the best toilet plunger, the Family Handyman called it brilliant, and This Old House named it one of the best new home products. Get the Korky Beehive Max plunger for a guaranteed and hassle-free plunge.